Are you struggling to display multiple plots at the same time using Plots.jl? You're not alone. Many users face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to visualize different data sets, but end up only seeing the last plot you created. This is a common issue for many users working with Plots.jl. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to display two different figures at the same time using Plots.jl. They mentioned that their current implementation causes one plot to overwrite the other. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? In Plots.jl, when you create a new plot, it often replaces the previous one unless you explicitly tell it to create a new figure. Understanding this behavior is key to solving the problem. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your plotting experience even smoother. To display multiple plots simultaneously using Plots.jl, the user should first create a new figure for each plot. This can be done by using the plot function with the legend argument set to false. Next, the user should ensure that each plot is displayed in its own window. This can be achieved by calling the display function for each plot after they have been created. If the user wants to customize the appearance of each plot, they can add titles, labels, and other attributes directly within the plot function. Finally, the user can run the complete code in their Julia environment to see both plots displayed at the same time, ensuring they are distinct and not overwriting each other. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical plots were created in the 18th century? Imagine how far we've come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the command plt2 plot_y reuse equals false. This allows you to create a new figure for your second plot without overwriting the first one. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to use the figure function when you want to create separate plots. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You can now display multiple plots using Plots.jl without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization.